In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Google Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm the cancellation, all without any guesswork. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Ads. You're looking for the official Google Ads homepage, which typically appears at the top of the results. Click the correct link that takes you to ads.google.com. Make sure you see the secure padlock in the address bar so you know you're on the authentic site. Once the page loads, click Sign In. Use the Google account that owns or has access to the ads account you want to deactivate. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check you're signing into the right one. Complete any two-step verification prompts so you land on your Google Ads dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click the admin icon. If your window is small, you may need to expand the menu to see it. The admin area is where key account settings live. If you don't see the admin icon, you may not have the right permissions for this account. From there, select Preferences. This is the account level settings page where you can manage general options that affect your entire account rather than a single campaign. Next, find the Account Status section and click it to expand. This reveals controls related to the overall state of the account, including the option to deactivate. Expanding this section helps you review the current status before making changes. Now click Cancel My Account. This action stops your ads from serving and places the account into a canceled state. It does not erase your historical data, and in many cases, you can come back later to reactivate if needed. Keep in mind that canceling is different from simply pausing campaigns. Cancellation is account-wide. Follow the on-screen confirmation prompts. You may be asked to confirm your choice, acknowledge final billing details, or provide a reason for canceling. If there is any outstanding balance, Google Ads will process final charges, and if you have a remaining prepaid balance, it will typically be refunded according to policy. When you complete the prompts, you'll receive an email once the cancellation is processed. Keep that message for your records so you have a time-stamped confirmation. That's it. You've navigated from Sign In to Admin, into Preferences, expanded account status, canceled the account, and confirmed the change. If you sign back in later, you can review the status and any messages related to the cancellation. Thanks for watching, and follow these steps whenever you need to deactivate a Google Ads account with confidence.